Hello everyone, my name is Archi Sankla. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing a cut crease makeup tutorial. So let's just jump into the video. So I've already applied the moisturizer on my face and also moisturized my lips. First we'll be starting with the foundation. Okay, so now it's the time for the cut crease eyeshadow, and for that I am using the Makeup Revolution Blush Bronze and Brighten palette. I will link down the product in the description box below, so you can just go and check it out over there. I'm using the rose pink shade, or whatever the shade is. It's pink or so. So the another palette which I am using right now is Lakme 925 Eye Color Desert Rose, which just looks like this, and also I will link the product in the description. So now I am taking a little bit of the darker shade. So I'm using both the shades, just mixing them and applying it. Okay, so now I will cut the crease with the help of the concealer. So you can use any kind of shimmer if you want, or you can keep it plain and you can just mix it from here so that it gets mixed up. So now I'll be doing the winged eyeliner. For that I'm using the Maybelline New York liner. Now I'll be applying the black kajal on my waterlines. Okay, so now the mascara which I am using here is Maybelline New York, the Hyper Curl Volume Express. So now I'm done with my eyes, as you can see. So I'm using the same blush and bronzer palette of the Makeup Revolution which I've used earlier to do the contouring and blush. Just for blush. For the lipstick, I'm using the LA18 Code Red R33. So I'm also using the Studio West Company lipstick, which is in the shade Spice. Just a little bit to add kind of a color. So yeah, I know I applied a darker shade on my lips because I think that this can look good if you do this makeup kind of on an occasion, or you can do this for any festive season or on an occasion. So it's kind of a cut crease glam makeup look, and let me give you the final look. So that was it for today's video. Hope you all liked it. If you did, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.